Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. And well, it dipped. It dipped quite a lot. What happened? Well, first let me explain there are three ways of trading. First you have value investing. It's where you look up at the what should be the right value for a stock or a certain thing. That's really hard, but that's basically what Warren Buffett does. He goes in the books, he checks everything, he looks at the image of a company, and he tries to figure out what a stock should be worth. And he sometimes thinks, well, this is undervalued or this is overvalued and stuff like that. A stock that would have been overvalued was a really good example for it, I think, was Tesla. Everybody and their mother knew Tesla was overvalued. But we were instead in a short squeeze. So people thinking it was overvalued started shorting it. But retail kept buying it. So basically the big banks got short squeezed by retail buying it. So I mean that's value investing. Value investing is when you look up at the right value of a stock. Then there is technical analysis. What we do in this on this channel always. We draw trend lines, we draw horizontals, we draw everything we can. We use the tools we have. We look at history. We look at what happened before and everything. And then there is news. News is always very quick, can cause quick volatility. So what happened last night? Well, first we had München talking about KYC on Bitcoin, like KYC on every Bitcoin address, stuff like that was going on. I don't know the exact details, but I know that was kind of a big thing. And of course that is kind of a big thing because that is what Bitcoin is all about, like being kind of neutral and your own boss about it, and nobody can take it from you. So implementing KYC on Bitcoin addresses would be kind of a problem, because that's the whole good point about Bitcoin. They can't take it from you. And then there was PayPal. It was a big hype. PayPal started going into crypto, but then news broke out. A lot of people got their PayPal accounts flagged because they were basically doing too many transactions on PayPal, trading crypto, buying on the low, selling on the high. So yeah, that was happening. Also this morning, European time, OKX allowed their withdrawals again. And I believe in the first 20 minutes, 2,500 BTC left the exchange already. So yeah, it's like a combination of bad stuff happening this morning, the past 24 hours, since I made my last video. So I got a lot of, I'm happy with the comments. Please comment on my videos, but I got some bad comments and some critics, I think, or feedback, however you want to say it. But I'm happy with it. I want you guys to tell you how you feel about my videos, so I can improve on it and I can explain why I predict certain things, because that's what I'm here for. I am trying to create value. This was what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting to break this level over here. You can see what I was expecting. I was expecting this yellow line to happen. But this blue line was the invalidation point for me. Another invalidation point for me would have been this low over here. A break of this one. We broke that also. But maybe even a bigger break was this trend line. So we broke all that. And now start looking ahead. Where do we expect this to go? Well, on the lower time frame we can see clear support over here. We kind of had a gap in the VPVR over here as well. You can see low volume on this price range, but we had this top over here and a tap on it over here as well. Let's look at another one. That would be this one. That's around, well, we can probably, this one lines up perfectly. Tops on it over here, tops on it over here, some action on it over here, and some bottoms on it over here, kinda. And it shows pretty clearly in the VPVR. So I would say 15.5K is where it should hold. If you zoom out a little bit more, we can see some other places, and of course is the 9K area where we've seen a lot of action. I'm not thinking we are going there, but 15.5K would be totally fine with me. A lot of people were calling all the time for 13.5 or 13.8K. That was last year's high, and I can see why, but I just don't think we will go there. We don't go that low, not yet, I think. The daily looks really bad. We're all agreeing on that. Funding still high, pretty bad as well. Saw this funny tweet, and it's actually kind of true. We had a lot of big 20 to 40% drawdowns that seemed like a blow off top, but it actually wasn't. We can see that here as well if we remove the lines. Let's go to the weekly. I mean, we had a lot of bad weeks. Let me show you guys. I mean, this one looked really bad, really scary. I bought over here, very nice. But this one looked bad. This one looked bad. It all looked so bad. This one as well. Oh, this one. And I mean, of course, we had not so long ago, last year, we had this one in one day from 8K to 6K and back up. So today's week isn't even that bad. I've seen worse things. If you're in crypto since 2013, you don't get shocked that easily anymore. And also another thing, price can go up in any way. It can go sideways, fast or slow, but yeah, down always goes fast. So what else? We see a premium on Bitfinex, bad, over Coinbase, that's bad. We see still high funding, that's bad. But still, I expect 15.5 to hold, yes. Ethereum, bullish retest in my opinion on a really important level, $500 around, still very good, still very strong, nothing wrong with that. Ethereum BTC should bounce around here, really good support on these highs over here. Break below it, not good. And that's about it for today. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, and make sure leverage usually kills. But if you want to, use one of these sign up links. I prefer Bybit. Trade with a little bit of leverage. Make sure you use this one because you get discounts on your trading fees. Trading fees are not that bad, but you do not want to pay them because they eat your profits. And like I said, funding is high as well. See you guys again tomorrow, and make sure to comment. Let me know what I can improve. Let me know when I'm wrong. Let me know why I'm wrong. I want to hear it all, guys. See you guys again tomorrow.